Okay, so let's review some examples on complex numbers, especially those looking for values of x and y or some other variables that are incorporated in complex numbers. So let's say we have this example, x plus yi, quantity x plus yi multiplied by 2 minus I is equal to negative I. So we're looking for the values of x and y. We can isolate that x and y on the right, on the left side, and then put all the rest on the left side. So let's have uh, x plus yi equal to negative I over 2 minus I. You can use your calculator to solve for this one, or if you're doing this manually, then you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of 2 minus I, which is 2 plus I. But since you are allowed to use calculator, you can just use your GTC to find the values of I over 2 minus I. So this will give us x plus yi equal to 1/5 minus 2/5 I. So you see, these are the corresponding real parts, and these are the imaginary parts. So if we're looking for the values of x and y, we can say that x is equal to 1/5 and y is equal to negative 2/5. Okay. If you have time, you can substitute the values and see that they really have a product which is equal to negative I. Now, for the next example, we are asked to find the real values of m and n, for which 3 quantity m plus ni equals n minus 2mi minus 1 minus 2i. So we can do the same as the previous example. So we expand this. So we shall have 3m plus 3ni. This is equal to n minus 2mi minus 1 plus 2i. And then we can put all the variables with m and n on the left side. Let's combine 3m, those that do not include I in their terms. So 3i, this shall be minus n. And then we have plus 2mi plus 3mi. This is mi equal to negative 1 plus 2i. Okay, we can put this together. They don't have real part. They don't have the I in their terms. So we can have 3m minus n. Then combine this equal to 5i, 5mi. And this is equal to negative 1 plus 2i. An important thing that you must remember when you are faced with this kind of problem is to find which one represent the real part and which represent the imaginary part. So here we have this as the real part, okay, real, and then this is our imaginary part. So we can say that our 3m minus n equals negative 1, and our 5m, it's not 5m. Okay, let me go back to this one. I think I made a wrong solution here. This is n, 3n, sorry. I thought that's m. So n, so we shall have 2m plus 3n I. Okay, so they are the same. This is our imaginary part. So we say that our 2m plus 3n equals 2. So how shall we solve for m and n? So what we're going to do is solve this through systems of equation or systems. So your GDC has this feature, so you may stop this video and then try to find the values of M and N using systems. Okay, okay, we're done. So did you get the same result as I have here, that M equals negative 1 over 11 and N equals 5 over 11? If you don't get this answer, maybe you need to go back to your solutions or to your GDC and see that and try to check if you have encoded the correct numbers.